Well, it's that time of year again. It's time for sales planning. Setting sales plans, budgets, and goals is key to meeting company sales objectives. This can also help increase utilization of TDF and adds additional functionality that the BSI data provides. Sales reps have the ability to enter and own their goals, and it also provides a visual driver for them as well as their managers to efficiently analyze their sales to goal and run rates throughout the year. There are 4 types of goals that you can enter into Tour de Force: sales goals, profit goals, bookings goals, and unit goals. These goals can be entered as a total annual amount and also at the individual period level. You can input these types of goals at the following level: account root, account package, account, and salesperson, which also includes product manager rules. Then within each of those main levels, you can plan at the sub-level, either product group, vendor, or Alt 1, 2, or 3. There are 2 methods of entering goals in Tour de Force: desktop and web. In Tour de Force Desktop, the planning administration can be accessed under the Other tab, Admin Utilities, Advanced Feature Setup, Planning Setup and Administration, Planning Administration. From here, there are 3 methods to import data. Planning Entry allows you to manually enter your goals at the desired level. Import from a spreadsheet. This allows you to easily import your goals from an existing spreadsheet. And then the Rollup utility. This utility can be used to set initial goals based on an increase over actual or last year's sales goals. The other method of goal entry is Tour de Force Web. To access the Planning Entry form, go to the Utilities menu and select Planning. Please keep in mind that Tour de Force Web is currently limited to account-level planning, as well as the product group, vendor, and Alt 1, 2, and 3 sublevels for the account. Once you have entered and committed your goals into TDF, you now have visibility in several areas to your overall goal as well as your current percent to goal so that you can track your progress throughout the year. You can see percent to goal based on annual, period, quarter, or actual to date. This data is visible in the BI Summary within the Sales and Group Summary tabs. It is also available on any of your accounts within the Sales Data tab, again on the Sales and Group Summary tabs within that account. This information is also available to be displayed in alerts and notifications as well as for use within BYOR. If you have any questions at all about how to use the planning module, please open a support request or contact a member of our support team today.